Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Evernote and Notion. So if you don't know what these two are, starting with Evernote here, it is a dedicated note-taking app focused on organization, search, and syncing. And for Notion, Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool for notes, databases, tasks, wikis, and more. It is highly customizable with modular content blocks. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Evernote here. For Evernote, it is excellent for searching and OCR, even in images or PDFs. It is simple and has a focused interface. It is great for quick note capture and strong offline access, so you can access Evernote and offline. Now the cons of Evernote is that it is limited in customization, and the free plan is also restrictive, so if you want to get the better features of Evernote, you will have to pay. It also has fewer collaboration features, so if you want to set it up with another third-party app, it is very limited in what it has to offer. And it is also premium and relatively pricey, so if you want to pay a premium for Evernote, it might cost you a lot. Now let's go over to Notion here. So the pros of Notion is that it is an all-in-one workspace, so it has notes, databases, tasks, and wikis. It is highly customizable, unlike Evernote. It has strong collaboration tools, again, unlike Evernote. So if you want to connect a lot of third-party apps, you can do so with Notion. And it has a generous free plan, unlike Evernote. However, the cons of Notion is that it has a slower performance, especially offline. It has a learning curve for new users, and it is overkill for simple note-taking. So if you want to just a simple note-taking app, Evernote is right for you. Now, which one should you choose? So, choose Evernote if you want a fast, focused note-taking with strong search, and you should choose Notion if you want an all-in-one customizable workspace for notes, projects, and collaboration. And that is it. That is the difference between Notion and Evernote. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.